Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you HP ProBook 440 G10 upgrade option. What are the slot available inside the board and how many SSD M.2 slot and memory slot. So these are the screws you need to remove. Total 6 screws from backside. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel. This model is a HP ProBook 440 G10 Core i7 13th generation processor, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, 14 inch screen. So remove that cap for backside cover. So this is the build quality of this motherboard. Comes with a 2 memory slot and one M.2 NVMe 2280 size, 512GB SSD. So this is the battery of this laptop. So please like the video. So let's see the RAM, what are the speed. This is from HP direct, 8GB DDR-4 3200 speed, Samsung brand. So now we are going to upgrade another 8GB in this laptop, total 16GB. So one M.2 NVMe and 2 memory slot. So this is the memory we are upgrading, Kingston brand, DDR4 3200 speed. So 8 plus 8 total 16GB. So one M.2 and 2 memory slot. So this model can support up to 32GB. 16 plus 16 also you can upgrade. Please like the video. So like this you need to fix properly. Total 6 screws you need to open and then fix. You need to use the proper tools to open properly. So let's switch on the laptop. The power button on the keyboard, top of the keyboard. It's a backlight keyboard. Comes with a fingerprint. Core i7 13th generation processor and smooth touchpad. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.